Want fresh orange juice but don't have a citrus juicer? No problem. You can make orange juice in a blender too. This method is healthy, quick, and delicious. Juicing oranges in a blender is healthier than juicing in a citrus juicer. The process is super easy. You can do it anytime at home. By using the blender, you can juice oranges guilt-free without losing the fiber. What are the best oranges for juicing? Try to select sweet and sour oranges with thin skin like Kino, Valencia, Navel, or Mandarin. These oranges are juicy and not fibrous, so they're perfect for juicing. How to make orange juice with a blender at home. To make orange juice with a blender, you'll need the following ingredients. It's 6 oranges. Choose the juicy variety like Navel, Kino, or Valencia. 1/2 to 1 cup of water as needed to dilute fibers. 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice as needed for sweet oranges. 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey as needed for tart oranges. 1 pinch salt to cut down tartness. 1 pinch freshly crushed black pepper. All other ingredients are optional. You can add them according to your desired taste. Here are the instructions for this recipe. 1. Wash and peel the oranges. Remove as much white part as possible. 2. Cut the 4 sides of the oranges, leaving the middle part intact. Make sure to remove any seeds that are still embedded in the sides. 3. Transfer the orange sides to the blender and set them aside. 4. Squeeze the juice from the center by squeezing it between the palms. Alternatively, transfer all centers to a muslin cloth. Lift all 4 corners of the cloth to make a bag. Squeeze the bag to remove the juice and transfer this juice to the blender. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 5. Next, blend the juice for up to 3 minutes at intervals until smooth. If you have fibrous oranges, you might need to add water to keep the fruit moving. 6. Do a taste test. You can strain the juice if it is too fibrous. 7. If you have diluted juice too much by adding water while blending, adjust the taste by adding optional ingredients. 8. Pour into a glass, add a straw, and serve chilled. Now you have your homemade orange juice using a blender. How easy is that? Orange juice is sweeter and best tasting when consumed fresh. Blended orange juice in the fridge can last up to 3 days. There are also orange juice blender recipe variations. Simply add chopped ginger, turmeric, or other citrus fruits like grapefruit, sweet lime, or other orange varieties. Chopped carrots and chopped apples are also good options. However, you might need to strain the juice as all these ingredients are fibrous. Avoid mixing other sweeter fruits or berries that are difficult to digest together with oranges. Among vegetables, carrot is the best match for oranges. Use boiled carrots for a smoothie-like consistency with easy-to-consume soft fibers. So have you tried making orange juice with a blender at home? What's your favorite orange juice variation? Let us know in the comments below. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.